assesses every candidate. The system checks the ability to maneuver a bus in difficult driving situations. The system has a very simple design. A computerized machine takes the height, weight and photograph of the candidate at the time of registration. The candidate identifies traffic signs on a touch screen. Tracks are designed in S and 8 shapes and for reverse parking and uphill drive. Proximity sensors are embedded in the tracks. Computer system receives information from the sensors to monitor the bus movement on the specified boundaries of the track. When the bus goes off track, hits and tilts any pole on the boundaries, the green spot representing the pole on the screen turns red and the system deducts marks for mistakes. The optical sensors at the start and end points monitor the time taken to drive the bus between the specified start and stop positions. The system awards marks automatically. On completion of all tests, the results are printed and handed over to the candidate immediately. The results generated are also stored in a database for future reference. The system has many advantages. As you can see, there is no human subjectivity or bias in this selection process. Earlier, tests were held by multiple examiners at different locations and assessment was subjective. There is total transparency and consistency in selection. Operational staff at depots and divisions are undisturbed. It prevents untrained drivers from getting into the system, ensures selection only on merit with no scope for extraneous consideration. It is inexpensive to install and easy to operate. The Gsrtc has created this facility to provide further utility. The corporation will also use it for training of drivers and offers it for the drivers of other departments, institutions and also for other heavy vehicle drivers in the private sector. With minor modifications, it will also be useful for LCV and LNV drivers. Further value can be added by installing driving simulators. The Gsrtc has decided to outsource its operation under PPP on revenue sharing to convert it as a profit center. This intervention will go a long way in ensuring that the best of drivers are selected in the first place and their skills improved through practice and monitoring. This will make driving on roads much safer and reduce the number of accidents that are mostly caused due to human error and faulty driving habits.